Okay. Hey, everybody. Dan here. Happy 2024. Let's get right into it. Now, we're seeing that tech kind of got whacked today. Some of the biotech stuff was working really well. I don't know what was going on with Moderna, but 13.62% first day of the year, especially after the crappy year they had in 2023, serves them right. The Bulls have to be really happy there. I care more about Verizon, though. Stock went up through almost 3.2% today on volume. But you can see this is going to be a short video because I don't need to say too much about it. We've got a bullish crossover here where the 50-day is now back above the 200-day moving average, and the price is above both of them. Also, like just barely. Not that it doesn't really matter that much, but it's worth noting that the 200-day moving average is actually drifting higher, just slightly. But it's a big deal because going forward, you want to see this start to drift higher as the Verizon marks out a new uptrend. The thing that I like about this, I haven't even looked at AT&T, so let's go ahead and do that. Also kind of doing the same thing between the two of them. I like Verizon more, just kind of because went up more today, but they're both doing the same thing. And I think this is kind of the reason. Here, Verizon shows a 6.92% dividend yield. On MarketSmith, it shows 6.8%. But like, guys, what's it matter? You look at what the treasuries doing now, and it's not even giving you 4%. Now, this is total risk-free, of course. But I don't know. I'd take a little bit of risk for a return of 6.92, not even counting capital gains on a stock that's turning around. So I like Verizon right here. I also like AT&T right here. In fact, while we're at it, let's talk about TMUS. Okay, nice move here. Horrible dividend there. So you've got three that you can look at here. TMUS is already going. You can see where it got the bullish crossover clear back here, where AT&T is just getting started and Verizon got started a couple weeks ago. So these are three for you. And I would say in order of desirability for me anyway, I'd say Verizon, AT&T, and then TMUS. So that's all I got for you. By the way, we got a lot of people that took advantage of the December kind of marketing for the Mentor Trading Mastery course coming up in April. So congrats to all you guys. It's there's still several months before that workshop, but we just had reduced prices in December. So now those are gone. So anyway, that's all I got to say about that. That's all I got to say to you. And other than to say, I will see you next time.